हाँ सृष्टि, एम आई ऑडिबल? आवाज जा रहा है सृष्टि?
Yes,
हेलो?
sir. Yes, sir.
ओके ओके, जस्ट वेट करो, धीरे धीरे सब आ रहे हैं। जीसान, अनंतो,
यस
अनंतो,
सर।
आज
यस सर।
आज तुम लोग का मेरा आने में लेट हो गया था, ठीक है? तो
यस सर।
ले लेंगे, परसों ले लेंगे, ठीक है? रेगुलर तो क्लास है।
जी
इलेक्ट्रिकल खाली था तो केमिस्ट्री के जगह उनका ले लिया गया, है ना?
जी सर। जी सर।
जस्ट वेट करो, अभी आ रहे हैं बच्चे लोग।
जी सर।
आज हम लोग थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी में कहाँ तक हुआ है मतलब तुम लोगों का? हेलो?
यस सर।
हाँ, लॉरेंस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन तक हुआ है क्या?
जी सर।
लेंथ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन टाइम डायलेशन नहीं हुआ है ना?
नहीं, वो नहीं हुआ।
ओके, हम लोग जो है टुमारो वी हैव डिस्कस about the length contraction time dilation of Lorentz transformation equation. Now, this class is for aptitude, है ना? एप्टीट्यूड होने के चलते अभी हम लोग जो है स्टार्ट करते हैं न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम which had been which is comes in your competitive examination, right? क्या क्या आ सकता है कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन में, बता रहे हैं। एक मिनट, स्क्रीनशॉट लेने दो, फिर बता रहे हैं। जस्ट वेट, हम लोग v इज इक्वल टू यू प्लस ए इंटू टी, ये सब तो पढ़े हो। v इज इक्वल टू यू प्लस ए इंटू टी, ये सब पढ़ा है ना जी? हेलो?
यस सर। यस सर।
और उसके बाद हम लोग क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स भी पढ़े हैं, उसका भी न्यूमेरिकल्स हम लोगों को मालूम है, ठीक है? जो कि इंटरनल सॉरी एग्जाम में जो है, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में वो सब क्वेश्चन आता है, ठीक है? अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे हैं, जस्ट वेट करो, स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे हैं। तो v इज इक्वल टू यू प्लस ए इंटू टी, v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू यू स्क्वायर प्लस 2as, ठीक है? और जस्ट ए मिनट रुको, s इज इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर, s इज इक्वल टू v इंटू टी, ये सब जो है हमारा हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ये बॉडी दिखाई दे रहा ना? आर यू विजिबल सृष्टि प्रिया?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, सपोज करो ये बॉडी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम, पहले क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से समझो। और हम लोगों का, हाँ कल आनंद को तुम फोन किया था, क्या बोलना चाह रहे थे, पहले बात करो।
सर वो एग्जाम का सर बात कर रहे थे कि एग्जाम किस टाइप का होगा सर।
इसके पहले कैसा दिए हो?
और ऑनलाइन सर।
किस तरह का क्वेश्चन आया था?
वही एमसीक्यू सर।
हाँ बस उसी तरह का, ये सब उसी तरह, उसी के लिए बताया जा रहा है,
जी सर।
ठीक है?
जी।
एकदम उसी तरह का आएगा क्वेश्चन,
जी सर।
इसलिए ये सब प्रैक्टिस करवा रहे हैं।
यस सर।
A body starts from rest and acquire a velocity of 12 meter per second in 5 seconds. ये 4:40 तक क्लास है, ठीक है? लगातार 3 सेम लिंक में ज्वाइन करना 3 बार। A body starts from rest and acquire a velocity of 12 meter per second in 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration and the distance traveled. First, in this question, what is given? Body start from rest. It means the body, initially the body is in rest position, means there is no velocity, there is no speed, है ना? And acquire a velocity of 12 meter 12 meter per second in 5 seconds. Here, after 5 seconds, the body have velocity 12 meter per second. After 5 seconds, the body acquired gain a 12 meter per second velocity. Calculate the acceleration and distance traveled. तो हमको क्या क्या मेजर करना है? Acceleration and distance. So initially the body is rest condition. It means u is equal to 0. U is equal to 0, and after 5 seconds, 5 minutes, means here, look my cursor, and after 5 seconds, t is equal to 5 seconds, it acquires a velocity of 12 meters per second. So here, look my cursor, after 5 seconds, means t is equal to 5 seconds, velocity of the body is 12 meters per second. So we can calculate the acceleration and distance s. So first thing, just a minute, एक साथ आना चाहिए, एक एक करके आ रहा है, क्या बात है, समझ लो, जस्ट वेट करो. First we have to calculate the acceleration. Look my cursor, acceleration, and then the distance traveled by the body. Yeah. So we have first calculate acceleration, means given v, u, t, and first we calculate acceleration means a. So what parameters? Parameters are given here? Means v given here, u, t as well as a. So now we know that there are 4 formulas in this regarding this. Realme C12, he is not my our student. Realme.
सर हाँ मैं सर
हाँ,
अनंत है सर, क्योंकि मेरा फोन से स्विच ऑफ होने वाला है, इसलिए बहन के मोबाइल में कर रहा हूँ.
रियलमी तुम आनंद तो?
हाँ सर.
ठीक,
हम रीनेम कर लो भाई.
ओके. तो यहाँ क्या क्या दिया हुआ है? v दिया है, u दिया है, t दिया हुआ है. ए हमको फर्स्ट में कैलकुलेट करना है. यहाँ पर देखो ए. तो हम लोग कौन कौन सा फॉर्मूला जानते हैं? v इज इक्वल टू यू प्लस ए इंटू टी, वी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू यू स्क्वायर प्लस 2as, s इज इक्वल टू v इंटू टी, s इज इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर. इतना ही है 4. इसमें से अब हम चारों में देख रहे हैं, among these formulas, this formula is suitable for calculation of acceleration. v is equal to u plus a into t, ये जो है हमारा सुटेबल फॉर्मूला है जो इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करेगा. तो हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, अब उस फॉर्मूला को लिख दिए, v is equal to u plus a into t यहाँ पर. अब इसके आधार पर in place of v we have put the value of v, of v means 12. So here look my cursor, here we have written as 12 is equal to u means 0 plus a into t, a into t means 5. ये एक तरीका है. And another way is here here if v this u comes towards left direction, mean v minus u is equal to a into t. Therefore a is equal to v minus u divided by t, like this. After getting this equation, we have put the value of v, u and t in place of this place. v here v minus u divided by t. v का वैल्यू कितना है 12. here we have write 12 minus u means 0. so here I have written 0 divided by t. t means here t is given as 5 seconds. So 12 divided by 5 equal to 2.4 meter per second square. Here unit is written as meter because velocity is given in meter per second. Time is also given in second. So there is no way to changing second into hour, okay, or minute, like this. So another we want to measure the distance traveled by the body. So this equation means there is a formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. This formula will be used because here v is given here, ut a is to be calculated. So u given here, t given here, a is given here, calculated. So u, in place of u we can write 0 because the value of u is 0 वैल्यू दिया हुआ है. तो यहां हम लोग क्या लिखे 0 into 5 t, the value of t is 5. 0 into 5 plus half into a, the value of a is 2.4. Yeah, 2.4. So this value is put in this place into t square. T means here t is 5, the 5 whole square, 5 into 5. So 0 into 5 is equal to 0 plus here 2.4 into 25 divided by this 2. So we are getting, after calculation, we are getting 30 meter. Here unit is written in the form of meter because we can calculate the distance. So in SI system, the distance unit or distance is meter because all the parameters like v is given in meter per second, t is given in second only, a is to be calculated in meter per second square. So here s can be written as meter. This here meter. Just wait. Yes, hello. क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? क्या नाम है बोलो तो. सुमिरन कैसे नहीं ज्वाइन करेगी? लिंक तो भेजे हैं हम. अब हम क्या करें बोलो इसमें? तक अभी तो क्लास स्टार्ट है, अब वो पूरा खोल के देखना होगा. ठीक है, इसके बाद वाले लिंक में ज्वाइन करना इसी में. ठीक है, ठीक. Now second question is a car moving with a velocity of 3 meter per second. A car is moving with, first you learn this question. A car moving with a velocity of 30 meter per second. Initially the car have velocity given as 30 meter per second, is stopped by the application of brakes. When we apply a brakes, means a car is moving with a velocity of 30 meter per second, it means it has acceleration. When we apply a brakes, means it has retardation. So which impart a retardation of 6 meter per second square. So we here retardation is given here a. Acceleration is also written as a retardation, which is in positive sign, but in retardation it can be also written as a, but it has negative sign, and both have the same unit. Means here retardation a is equal to minus 6 meter per second square to the car. How long does, first think about this question, how long does it take for the car to come to a stop, and how far does the car travel during the time brakes are applied. So here velocity is given here, u is given here 30 meter per second, this part, and a is retardation in the form of a is in the form of retardation, means a is equal to minus 6 meter per second square. So we know that v is equal to u plus a into t. So here v is equal to, we assume that v is equal to 0. v is equal to u plus a into t. On putting the value of u, v and a in this place means here 0 is equal to 30. In place of u we can write 30 plus a, the value of a is minus 6. So here minus into plus minus. So here I have written minus. A, in place of a we can write 6. Here 6 into t. So here is equal to 60 is equal to 6 into t. 60 is equal to here 30. If this minus 30 comes in the left direction. हेलो, हाँ बोलो बोलो, पता नहीं अभी वही तो और एक लड़की बोली कि क्लास नहीं कनेक्ट हो पा रहे हैं, अभी क्लास ले रहे हैं, फिर इसके बाद वाले भी ज्वाइन करना है इसके बाद का लिंक में, ठीक है, स्टार्ट कर दिए ना, अभी तो जा नहीं सकते हैं जब तक, ओके ठीक। सो दिस plus 30 goes in the left direction and it will be changed to minus 30, or here minus 60 is given here, so minus will cancel, means 30 is equal to 60, this part. So t is equal to 30 by 6 means 5, so t is equal to 5 seconds. Means here in our first question, how long does it work for the car to come to stop? Means 5 seconds. Another question, how far means distance, how far does the car travel during the time brakes are applied? How far means distance, we have to calculate s. So here again we know that v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So this formula can be used, written here. So v square is equal to u square means plus u square. When this plus u square comes in the left direction, so it can be written as minus u square is equal to 2as. On putting the value of v, that is 0, in place of this v, 0 square minus 30 u in place of u, we can write 30. 30 whole square is equal to 2 into a. The value of a means here given as a is equal to minus 6. A is equal to minus 6. So this part is written here, a into s. So 0 into 0 minus 30 into 30 means 0 minus 900. Here 900 is equal to 2 into 6 minus 12 is into s. So here minus 900 is equal to minus 12. So minus minus will cancel. S is equal to 900 into 2 into 12. So it is 75 kilometers per hour. So this is the second problem which I have solved. So is there any doubt in these two examples? Hello, is there any doubt? No. Asghar Ali?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Now, another question. If a stone is dropped from a, like this, first you, sorry, brakes are applied, a train traveling at 72 kilometer per hour, means train is moving with a velocity of 72 kilometer per hour. After after passing over 200 meter, its velocity is reduced to 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ठीक है, जब पास किया 200 मीटर तो वेलोसिटी इज रिड्यूस्ड टू 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर एट द सेम रेट ऑफ रिटार्डेशन. हाउ मच फर्दर will it go before it is brought to rest? Question is, at the same rate of retardation, how much further will it go before it is brought to rest? So first thing, here u is given 72 kilometer, that is equal to 72 kilometer per hour. U, initial velocity is given. So and final velocity is decreases, that is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. S is given here 200 meter. 200 meter. So question is, at the same rate of retardation, A. So first thing, first we have look after that. Here velocity is given in kilometer per hour, initial velocity as well as final velocity, both are given in kilometer per hour, but distance is given in meter. So first we have convert this kilometer per hour to meter per second, so that S will be in same unit. So here u is equal to 72 kilometer per hour. It is converted into meter per second. So 72 into 1000 divided by 60 into 60. That is 20 meter per second. 72 into 1000 divided by 60 into 60. Now, velocity v is given as 36 kilometer per hour. So it is again converted to meter per second, means 36 into 1000 divided by 60 into 60, means 10 meter per second. And S is given as 200 meter, and A will be calculated. So here all the parameters like U, V, A and S are given. Hello? पता नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम है, इसके बाद वाले लिंक में ज्वाइन करना, इसी में, ठीक है। अब पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, हमको भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा, ठीक है। हेलो, ठीक। Now, U, V, A, S are given here. So V square minus U square is equal to 2S. Means V square is equal to U square plus 2S. When U plus U square comes in left direction, so it can be written as V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So here, on putting the value of V, U, A and S in this equation, we can write here in place of V square 10 square, because the value of V is 10 meter per second. So here 10 square minus U means 20 whole square is equal to 2 into A into S. S is 200 meter. So here 100 minus 400, 10 into 10 100, and 20 into 20 400, means minus 300 is equal to 2 into A into 200, A into 400. So here A is equal to minus 300 divided by 2 into 200. So 0 will cancel. After solving it, A is equal to minus 3 by 4 meter per second square. So here question, how much further will it go before it is brought to rest? So suppose body comes under rest within a distance s. So here V square, the value of V is, here we can write the value of V is equal to 0, means in second stage the initial velocity is 10 meter per second. This 10 meter per second is the initial speed for next question. So here and V is equal to 0. So in place of V we can write V 0 minus, in place of U we can write 10 whole square is equal to 2 into A means minus 3 by 4 into S. Means here we have measure how much further it will go. How much further means we have to calculate S. So here 0 minus 100 is equal to minus 6 by 4 into S. So this 100 into 4, this 4 will be multiplied with 100. So here S 100 into 4 is equal to minus 6 into S. So S is equal to 100 into 4 divided by this minus 6. Here minus 100. So minus 100 into minus 6 will cancel. Here minus 6 will cancel. Minus will be cancelled. So 100 into 4 by 6 means S is equal to 200 divided by 3 is equal to 66.67 meter per second. This is another question. If you have any doubt, please tell me. If you have any doubt, tell. Next question. If a car is traveling on a straight level road, if a car is traveling on a straight level road, means road is straight and car is moving over it with a speed of 60 km per hour, means initially the car have speed 60 km per hour. Now it is followed by another car V. Here there is a car I have seen. Now this class is upgrading for next period, huh? So you can join in this in the same link. So here in this figure, a car is moving with a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. Just wait. 60 kilometer per hour. Here, given here, a car is moving with this speed. It is followed by another car, which is moving with a speed of 70 kilometer per hour. From this B point, here there is a car, and the car has velocity 70 kilometer per hour. When the distance between them is 2.5, means the point A and B both have the distance is 2.5 kilometer. The car B is given an acceleration of, here car B, this car B has an acceleration of 20 kilometer per hour, 20 kilometer per hour square. After what distance? Means B car has acceleration is also given in the car B. After what distance and time B catch up with A? What distance and time both will B catch up with A? So here, suppose the distance, the car moves with velocity 60 kilometer per hour and reaches to this point. So the distance is x. Here x. Here I have written B catches up with a car with A after A has covered. This A has covered a distance of x in with a time t. Here I have written. So for this car A, just wait, for this car A, we know that x is equal to, s is equal to v into t. S is equal to v into t. So here s is x and v is given here 60 kilometer per hour. Here 60 kilometer per hour. So here I have written 60 into t. T is not given here. X is equal to v into 60 into t. Equation 1. For this car, for the car B, the velocity is 70 kilometer per hour. So here the distance between the car A to B is given 2.5 kilometer and this distance is x. Here. So the total distance from this point to this point can be written as x plus 2.5. X plus this 2.5 is the total distance. So we know that S is equal to ut plus half a t square. So here velocity for car B is given as 70 kilometer per hour. Here written as total distance S is equal to 2.5 plus x is equal to ut. U means 70 into t plus half a into t square. A is 20 for car B. Look here, for car B acceleration is 20 kilometer per hour square given here. So this value of A can be put into this place. A is half a t square. A means 20 into t square. T square can be written as t square. Now this is equation 2. Now substituting equation 2 from 1. 2 from 1. So here 2.5 plus x. Subtracting means 2.5 plus x minus x. So minus plus x will be cancelled. So here rest part is 2.5. After solving this equation, here given as 60t, here 70t. So 70t minus 60t, that is 10t. plus this plus can be written as plus 20 divided by 2, 10. So here 10 t square, this part will become. After solving, subtracting equation 2 from 1, we get 2.5 is equal to 10t plus 10t square. Now, this part, this equation can be written as here 10t square plus this 10t, this positive 2.5 plus 2.5 goes towards the right direction. It means sign will be changed, means minus 2.5 is equal to 0. So on solving this, t is equal to, we can write minus 10 plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So b square means here 10 square minus 4 a means 10 into t into c means minus 2.5 divided by 2 into a, 2 into this 10 here, this 10. So t is equal to minus 10 plus minus 100. After solving this, 44 minus and minus will be plus 40, 4 into 10, 40 into 2.5 means 100 divided by this 20. Here t is equal to 0.207 hour. So here we are getting the value of t. Now the value of t, that is the value of equation 3, put in this equation 1, x is equal to 60 into t. So here x is equal to 60 into t. In place of t, we can write the value that is equal to 0.207 hour. So x is equal to 12.42 kilometer. So here question will be asked. First, starting, the speed is given here. Speed is given here. V s is equal to ut plus half at t square. So here v is given here 60 kilometer per hour for car A. For another car B has 70 kilometer per hour. So here for next car B is given here 70 kilometer per hour, and it has, means car B has acceleration 2.45 kilometer. Distance is 2.5 kilometer between A and B car, and the acceleration of car B is 20 kilometer per hour given here. So question is that after what distance s and time will B catch up with A. So first we have measure t, which is calculated in equation 3. After getting equation 3 or the value of t, this value is put in equation 1, means x is equal to 16 to t, x be the distance. See here figure, in this figure x be the distance. Just wait, here x is the distance, this part. X is equal to 60 into t. So x is equal to 60 into the value of t is 0.207 into hour is equal to 12.42 kilometer. Now another question. Hello.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
अभी लाइव ट्वीट नहीं है, ठीक है, इसके बाद ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाओगे, फिर हम लिंक भेजेंगे।
हेलो सर।
हाँ
सर जूम बहुत प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है सर, बार बार एरर दिखा दे रहा है।
अच्छा ठीक है, अब क्या किया जाए, तो ऑनलाइन का जमाना है ना, ठीक है, उसमें तो हम भी नहीं कुछ कर सकते हैं ना, बहुत जन का प्रॉब्लम है। और यहाँ पर देखो ये बैटरी में